We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the funny office gifts for boss men. Boss Lady Coworker Leather Journal, notebook with pen and pen clip measuring 7 by 5 inches, offered by Innobeta. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This product has quickly become a standout in the world of office gifts, not only for its humor, but also for its practical design and impressive build quality. Users consistently mention that this journal strikes an ideal balance between elegance and everyday usability. The faux leather cover is particularly noteworthy. It is described as exceptionally soft and touchable, yet it maintains a durable structure that does not bend or flop, providing a premium feel without being overly formal. The edges of the cover are smooth, slightly rounded, and finished with care. There is no visible stitching, but the single-piece construction is both beautiful and robust. Reviewers point out that the faux leather feels high-end and is likely to withstand daily use, making it suitable for both gifting and personal use. The metal accents on the journal are minimal but effective, lending a classic and classy look that appeals to a wide audience. These accents are not just decorative, they are functional and designed to age well, ensuring the journal maintains its aesthetic appeal over time. Inside the cover, the craftsmanship continues to impress. The contents are hand-stitched and secured with strong elastic cording that loops around the cover, adding both security and a touch of artisanal flair. This method of binding ensures that the contents stay firmly in place while allowing for easy access and organization. The interior of the journal is thoughtfully organized to accommodate a variety of needs. At the front, users will find a hand-stitched book of non-lined beigeish-brown cardstock, flanked by thicker light brown cardstock on either side. This section is ideal for sketching, brainstorming, or jotting down ideas that do not require lined guidance. Following this is a hand-stitched book of lined, double-sided creamy white pages, perfect for note-taking, meeting minutes, or daily journaling. The inclusion of both lined and unlined paper makes this journal versatile, catering to those who need both structure and creative freedom in their writing. Further enhancing the journal's utility, there is a full-sized, fairly transparent plastic zipper compartment. This compartment is praised for its ability to securely hold small essentials such as receipts, business cards, or even a smartphone, making it a practical addition for professionals on the go. Adjacent to the zipper compartment is a double-sided plastic business card holder with 6 slots, allowing users to organize and access important contacts or identification cards with ease. All interior items are sized to fit the 7-inch tall and just over 4-inch wide format of the journal, ensuring a compact yet spacious feel. One unique feature highlighted by reviewers is the reversible usability of the journal. By simply flipping the cover, users can choose whether to display the humorous message or keep it discreet during meetings. This flexibility is appreciated by those who want to maintain professionalism in certain settings while still enjoying the playful aspect of the journal in more casual environments. The included pen is another area where this product excels. It is larger around than a typical ballpoint pen, making it particularly comfortable for those with larger hands, though users with smaller hands also report no discomfort. The pen clip is described as extremely attractive, resembling a high-end money clip, and is designed to securely hold the pen in place without stretching out over time. The clip can be positioned anywhere on the journal, providing customization based on user preference. An additional metal clip, matching the pen clip in style, is included and can be used to attach other items to the journal, further enhancing its practicality. Users are consistently impressed by the overall value of this product. It is seen as a gift that makes a strong impression, suitable for managers, coworkers, or anyone who appreciates a combination of humor and utility. The journal does not come across as stuffy or overly formal, making it accessible and appealing to a broad range of recipients. The high-quality materials and attention to detail suggest that this is a product designed to last, providing ongoing utility long after the initial novelty has worn off. In terms of performance, the journal holds up well to daily use. The faux leather cover resists scratches and stains, while the elastic cording remains taut and reliable. The hand-stitched books inside do not easily tear or come apart, even with frequent page turning. The zipper compartment and business card holder are both sturdy and functional, with no reports of tearing or malfunction. The pen writes smoothly and consistently, and its larger size is particularly appreciated during long writing sessions. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, a few minor drawbacks are noted. Some users mention that the lack of visible stitching on the cover, while aesthetically pleasing, may raise concerns about long-term durability compared to traditionally stitched journals. However, no reports of actual wear or separation have been documented. Others note that the transparent zipper compartment, while useful, could be slightly more opaque to better conceal its contents in professional settings. The business card holder, while functional, may not accommodate thicker or unusually shaped cards, but this is a minor issue for most users. The journal's size is another point of discussion. At 7 by 5 inches, it is compact enough to fit in most bags and briefcases, yet large enough to provide ample writing space. This makes it ideal for meetings, travel, or everyday use at the office. The refillable nature of the sketchbook is highly valued, as it allows users to replace the internal books as needed, extending the life of the journal and reducing waste. The ability to customize the contents also appeals to those who want to tailor the journal to their specific needs, whether for sketching, note-taking, or organizing documents. Aesthetically, the journal receives high marks for its understated elegance. The combination of soft faux leather, minimal metal accents, and smooth edges creates a product that is both professional and approachable. The humorous message on the cover adds a personal touch, making it a memorable gift that stands out from more generic office supplies. The option to hide the message during meetings is a thoughtful feature that demonstrates attention to real-world use cases. In terms of gift giving, this journal is frequently recommended as an ideal present for bosses, coworkers, or anyone in a professional setting. It is particularly popular for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, or administrative professional days. The tongue-in-cheek nature of the gift makes it suitable for those with a sense of humor, while the high-quality construction ensures it will be appreciated even by those who prefer more traditional office accessories. The journal is also a popular choice for self-gifting, with many users purchasing it as a treat for themselves to enhance their own workday organization and enjoyment. The value proposition of this product is strong. Users consistently report that the price is reasonable given the quality of materials and construction. The inclusion of a high-quality pen and multiple organizational features adds to the overall appeal, making it a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to upgrade their office supplies. The durability of the faux leather and the reliability of the internal components suggest that this journal will provide long-term satisfaction, reducing the need for frequent replacements. From a usability perspective, the journal is easy to set up and use right out of the box. The elastic cording makes it simple to add or remove internal books, and the zipper compartment and business card holder are intuitive and accessible. The pen writes smoothly and is easy to secure with the included clip, ensuring that it is always available when needed. The compact size makes it easy to carry, while the sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. In summary, the funny office gifts for Boss Man, Boss Lady Coworker Leather Journal, Notebook with Pen and Pen Clip by Innobeta is a well-designed, high-quality product that combines humor, elegance, and practicality. Its soft yet durable faux leather cover, minimal but classy metal accents, and thoughtfully organized interior make it a standout choice for gift-giving or personal use. The refillable nature of the sketchbook, combined with the inclusion of both lined and unlined paper, a zipper compartment, and a business card holder, ensures that it meets a wide range of needs. The larger pen and attractive clip add to the overall value, making this journal a comprehensive solution for professionals and creatives alike. While there are a few minor areas for improvement, such as the opacity of the zipper compartment and the capacity of the business card holder, these do not detract significantly from the overall experience. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users highlights the journal's appeal as a unique and memorable gift that is both functional and fun. If you are looking for a gift that will make a lasting impression or simply want to upgrade your own office supplies, this journal is an excellent choice. Remember, if you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.